If you would like to learn more about improving your life with Balance with Colour, please don't hesitate contacting authors Lorraine and Dr. Bob Roberts directly on info@balancewithcolour.com or through their website balancewithcolour.com. Have We Forgotten is the first in our series of video presentations. It draws our attention to how nature works for everyone and everything. The other videos in the series explain how the Balance with Colour technique works for you privately and how it can be shared with anyone of any age, especially with families and children, to enable them to gain and maintain balance in their minds and live comfortable and productive lives. All Marju publications are available on Amazon Kindle or directly from the website balancewithcolour.com.